Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see older images on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, for this specific thing, you cannot use Google Maps. You can use the current satellite image of Google Maps. However, this is the most recent one, and you cannot go backwards in time. However, you can view older images, whether they're satellite images or just images taken of those particular locations. I'm pretty sure you can do both, maybe not the satellite ones, but I'm pretty sure there is a functionality for that as well. And for that, you're going to need to use Google Earth. Now, I'll switch over to these here instructions just to explain to you guys everything. I won't be able to use Google Earth because on my browser it is way too laggy, so it will take a long time for me to show you guys. But these instructions are easy enough to follow, so I'll just go through them. So firstly, you just need to open up Google Earth on your device, whether it's on PC, on the web. You do have a standalone version on PC which you can use, or on the mobile, doesn't really matter. Then you need to search for a place and then just go in the toolbar, click historical imagery, click view and historical imagery, and this will not be available if you're using the base map. To enable this, you need to be in satellite mode so you can view through the satellite as well. Then you need to select how you want to view the map, either the historical imagery view or the time-lapse option, depending on what you want, and a timeline will appear. And at the top right, click the timeline to explore it over time. To go to a specific time, you can click the year you want to view in the timeline, then click previous or next. To lock the latest imagery, click last page, which is this sort of arrow and vertical line. And to minimize the historical imagery, just click the collapse button, which is two arrows pointing towards each other. And at the top left, the toolbar remains active as a floating chip if you want it in the future. Now, I'll just go over to Yahoo for a second to view these on the web. You just need to search for the location, drop a pin, click the photo of the location, see more dates over here, and then you can scroll back and forth to see the imagery throughout time pretty much. And pretty much the same on mobile. Just tap the center of the image when you select it and drop a pin, then click see more dates at the small tab on the bottom, and then just scroll through them as you would anything else. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.